students, now we are in page number 37. Here also the same exercise. Divide the following. Okay, first one is going to be 33 divided by 5. 33. We will write the table. Okay, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. You all say along with me. Okay, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50. Okay, now 5 is a single digit number, one digit number. So here also we will take one digit only. Okay, now अभी देखो 5 के टेबल में कहीं पर you are able to see 3 देखने को मिल रहा है? नो, तो 3 से छोटा नंबर लेना पड़ेगा. बट 3 से छोटा नंबर तो हियर इट इज़ नॉट अवेलेबल ओनली, बिकॉज 3 से छोटा तो कहीं पर नहीं है. 3 से बड़ा नंबर है 5. सो व्हाट वी विल डू नाउ? यस, नाउ 3 से छोटा तो अभी 3 मतलब 0 ही आएगा, करेक्ट ना? सो 5 zeros are 0. 5 zeros are what will be the answer? 0. So 3 minus 0, answer will be 3. Now bring this 3 down. अभी 33. 33 you are able to see anywhere in 5 table? No. So उससे छोटा नंबर कौन सा है? Which is the smaller number than 33? 35 तो नहीं ले सकता है क्योंकि we can't subtract it from smaller number. So उससे छोटा नंबर, smaller number is this one, that is 5 6 are 30. 3 minus 0 3, 3 minus 3 0. So 5 will be your divisor, 33 will be your dividend. This is your divisor, this is your dividend, this is your quotient, and this is your remainder. Okay, now we will solve one more example. Okay, we will solve fourth one. Okay, 80 divided by 9. We will write 9 table. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, 9 10s are 90. Correct? Now again this is single digit number and we will take single digit number. अभी now in 9 table see anywhere 8 is coming. देखो कहीं पर 8 है क्या? नहीं. 9 is bigger than 9, तो 8 से बड़ा है. तो what we will do? 9 zeros are 0. Yes, 8 minus 0 8. Now bring this 0 down. अभी 80 कहीं पर है क्या 9 के टेबल में? 81 है बट 80 तो नहीं है. 81 वी कैन टेक बिकॉज 80 छोटा नंबर है और 81 बड़ा नंबर है. सो वी कैन सब्ट्रैक्ट 81 फ्रॉम 80. सो द नंबर विच इज स्मॉलर देन 81 इज 72. हाउ मेनी टाइम इट कम्स? 9 8s are, वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट, 9 8s are 72. अभी अगेन 0 में से 2 तो माइनस नहीं होगा. फ्रॉम 0 वी कैन डू सब्ट्रैक्शन, सो वी हैव टू बोरो. 8 बन गया 7, 0 बन गई 10. Now 10 minus 2 is 8, 7 minus 7 is 0. Now 7 will be your divisor, 80 will be your dividend, 8 will be your quotient, and here again 08 will be your remainder. Okay, now we will go to next page, that is 38. Okay, now this is going to be very much easy. Okay students, see, when 0 is divided by any number, that is by any non-zero number, the quotient is always 0. Okay, now see, First one exercise, divide the following. When you are going to divide any number by 0, when 0, okay, see here they have given an example. Here 0 is there. If you will divide this number by a non-zero number, then the answer is going to be 0, correct na? Here 0 is it is 0 and 7 is a non-zero number. If we will divide, the answer is going to be 0. Okay, now 5 is a single digit number. Again we will take 5. Now in 5 table, how many times 5 comes? 1 time, correct? 5 minus 5, 0. Now bringing this 0 down, how many times 0 comes? 0 time. 5 zeros are 0, 0, 0. One more easy example, see 5 tens are 50, correct students? 5 tens are 50. Okay, now we will solve the next one. I will solve and show you one more example. Fourth one we will solve. 40 is divided by 2. 40 is divided by 2. In 2 table, how many times 4 comes? 2 times. 2 twos are 4. Minus 4 minus 4, 0. Bringing this 0 down. 2 zeros are 0. Minus underline. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. This is very easy na students. Division is very much easy. For that you all are supposed to learn the tables. Without knowing tables, division is impossible. Okay, so you should know tables very clearly. What you all are supposed to know? Tables. Then only you can solve the division sums. So in homework book you will learn and write tables 2 times. How many times? 2 times. From 2 to 15. From second table to 15 table you will write 2 times in your homework notebook. Okay students, and you have to learn tables so that you can solve division sums properly. Tables, homework you will write 2 times, you will write, and from 2 to 15 in your homework notebook 2 times you will write. Okay students, I hope you all might have understood the chapter, that is division.